in this family, I don't know how they're going to handle situation. It's busy, Baba. It's busy. The mother is busy. The father is busy dancing, interview, doing all this. So now I'm wondering what's gonna happen. But I'm so glad to see that this Saturday they've been busy. Ashley went to the radio, and then Sweet Kuluva went to. I think he was booked. Max or Max lifestyle. Like it's busy, guys. Busy. These people they're making money. But anyway, enjoy this video. Cheers. Bye.